Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nobody Sausage token. Ticker symbol is Nobody. Now this token here is a big project that just got a bunch of big central exchange listings today. It's on the Solana blockchain. It was created on Moonshot. You could find this token in the Moonshot section or the Solana section on Dex Screener. We're going to go over the information on the Nobody Sausage token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Nobody Sausage token, which has got a funny meme here, just got listed today on, actually last night it looks like it got listed on Lbank. Maybe it got listed somewhere else too as well. I can't really see it right now, but it definitely got listed today on Mexc Global. So those are two different ways to get it. If you have an Lbank account, you can get it off there. If you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol Nobody, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here. They have a gold verified check mark at Nobody Sausage. It says anybody can be a nobody. Has a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. 665 posts, 12,900 Twitter followers. It says they're followed by Lbank and CoinEx Global, so maybe they're also getting a CoinEx Global listing as well. Their contract address is right in the pinned tweet there if you're looking for it. It ends in Moon, just like on Pump.Fun, the tokens end in Pump, and that way you know they're from Pump.Fun. The ones that end in Moon, you know that they were created on Moonshot. And when you look on the Moonshot section on Dex Screener, you find these tokens, they usually have a little moon emblem right beside them. And yeah, so that's just a different way to create Solana meme coins. So it looks like, oh, they got listed on BitGet as well. Oh yeah, CoinEx Global. So I do have also a CoinEx Global referral code down there. They got listed on Bitmart, Lbank, tons of big central exchange listings today. So if you're looking for the, if you're looking at the link tree that's linked right there, you can find all the socials there. So you can find an X, Facebook, YouTube channel, Telegram, Instagram, merch page. If you want to get some merch, Snapchat, Threads, Spotify, you name it. And then their webpage, nobodysausage.club is the webpage. And yeah, the tagline is anybody can be a nobody. Right now, their market cap, $12.4 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. In the past 24 hours, this token is up 1,985%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $23 million. They've had 35,969 transactions just today. $1.4 million worth of liquidity in Meteora, and 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is about 1.29 cents per token. Token was created only 20 hours ago. That's when the pair was created on Meteora, 20 hours, 25 minutes ago. So brand new token, trending number 15 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. And they have been doing a bunch of marketing today on Dex Screener as well. It's got the 500 lightning bolts marketing boost ad button. So they got tons of central exchange listings. They're doing marketing, big market cap. They're up over almost 2,000%, millions of dollars of trades today. So there's some other huge tokens today on the Solana blockchain that are trending. Also, they got listed on Mexc that I'll be posting videos about, so stay tuned for those. Like the Trencher token. Trencher's trending number 2. DP Core, that one's trending as well. And there's a few other ones as well that got listed on Mexc today that you should check out on my channel because they are very big projects. So if you go to their webpage, they have the launch claiming. So looks like maybe they had a pre-sale first or something. It could be from the moonshot there, but it says launch claiming in progress. And so there it shows the people that have claimed there. It says claim for free, buy now, join the sausage revolution. Anybody can be a nobody. The club, feeling like a nobody, join a club of 30 million fans. Instant karma. Follow us on X. Stay connected with the sausage lovers. Follow us for fresh memes and daily nobody vibes. They have the introducing the sausage generator. It's time to change that sad PFP of yours. So they have like the meme sausage there, and basically you can generate some memes, and then they do that on there so you could like share them on your socials and whatnot here. So then they have some info about what this project is. So it says this is the section for lost sausages. It's okay to have a question. Nobody is perfect. Sausages are strong together. So Nobody Sausage is a grassroots social media character and entertainment brand originally created by Kale Cabral, known for his quirky personality and viral appeal. It has become a symbol of absurd, joyful internet culture. Nobody is a meme token. It has no utility, no expectations of financial gains, existing solely for enjoyment for the community. Kale Cabral, pronouncing this guy's name totally wrong here. Kale Cabral is the creator of Nobody Sausage, is aware of the token, and has expressed his support for the community-led initiatives. And the purpose of Nobody is to unite a bunch of nobodies through memes, mischief, and good times. It's about culture, community, and a shared sense of humor. Nothing more, nothing less. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the Nobody Sausage token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.